Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, I shall solve test paper 7, chapter 7, linear equation. One question is written on this board is question number 1. Evaluate x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz when x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 3. So write first of all question x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now put the value of x, y and z. Here x cube, the value of x is minus 2. So minus 2 cube plus y cube, the value of y is minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus z cube, the value of z is 3. So 3 cube minus 3 into x, the value of x is minus 2 into pi, the value of y is minus 1, so write minus 1 into z, the value of z is 3. Now solve it. Minus to the power odd number, so result is negative. 2 to the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, plus minus to the power odd number 3, so minus 1, plus 3 to the power 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, minus into minus plus, a plus into minus minus, 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18. Now minus 8 plus into minus minus 1 plus 27 minus 18. Now minus 8 plus minus 1 minus 9, minus 9 plus 18 minus 27, minus 27 here plus 27 also, both are cancelled, result is 0 answer. Right. Next question is question number 3. Subtract x square minus 2xy plus 5y square minus 4 from 4xy minus 5x square minus y square plus 6. First of all, write it in column method. In subtraction, write above after from expression. Expressions of after from. So here after from expressions is 4xy minus 5x square minus y square plus 6. So write in descending order. Minus 5x square minus 5x square minus y square or minus 2xy, right, this type. So minus plus 4xy minus y square plus 6 minus 5x square plus 4xy minus y square plus 6. Arrange it. Now write what to subtract. So x square minus 2xy plus 5y square minus 4. So write it x square minus 2xy plus 5y square minus 4. In this minus 5x square plus 4xy minus y square plus 6. Now subtract x square minus 2xy plus 5y square and minus 4. Now in subtraction change the sign of second expression. So plus change into minus, minus change into plus change into minus, minus change into plus. 5x minus 5x square minus x square. So minus 6x square. 4xy plus 2xy plus 6xy. Minus y square minus 5y square. So minus 6y square. 6 plus 4 तो plus 10. Answer of this question is minus 6x square plus 6xy minus 6y square plus 10. Write it. Next question is 6. Simplify 3a plus 4 into 2a minus 3 plus 5a minus 4 into a plus 2. First of all, 2a minus 3 multiplied by 3a. After that, 2a minus 3 multiplied by 4a. Similarly, a plus 2 multiplied by 5a. After that, a plus 2 multiplied by 4. Write it. 3a into 2a minus 3 plus 4 2a minus 3 plus 5 into a plus 2 minus 4 into a plus 2 equal to 3 to the 6a square plus into plus 3a into 2a 3 to the 6a square plus into minus minus 3 3 the 9a plus into plus plus 4 to 4a into 2a 4 to the 8a plus into minus minus 4 3 the 12 plus 5a into a 5a square plus into plus plus 5 to the 10a 5 to the 10a minus 4a minus 8. Now solve it. 6a square plus 5a square equal to 11a square minus 9a plus 8a minus a minus a and minus 4a minus 5a minus 5a plus 10a plus 5a minus 12 and minus 8 minus 20. Answer of this question. Write it. Next question is question number 8. Solve a linear equation of decimal form. Write 0.5. Change its in fractional form. 0.5x means 5x by 10. 5x by 10 plus x by 3 equal to 0.25x. That means 25x by 100 plus 7. 5 to the 10 and 25 for the 100. Now it's changed into that implied x by 2 plus x by 3 equal to x by 4 plus 7. That implies separate variable left hand side x plus 2 x plus 3 x plus x by 4 by transposition minus x by 4 equal to 7. Next step, LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. So 2, 6 are 12, 6x, 3, 4 are 12, plus 4x, 4, 3 are 12, minus 3x, equal to 7. That implies 6x plus 4x, 10x minus 3x, 7x by 12 equal to 7. That implies 7x by 12 equal to 7. 7 by 12 by transposition changing to 12 by 7. So x equal to 7 into 12 by 7. 7 to 7 cancel equal to 12 is the answer of this question. Write it. Last question, question number 10. Renu's father is thrice old as Renu. Renu's father is thrice as old as Renu. After 12 years, he will be just twice his daughter. Find their present age. Let Renu's present age. Let Renu's present age be x. Then Renu's father's present age equal to thrice, that means 3x. After 12 years, Renu's present age x years, so x plus 12. Father 3x, thrice, so 3x plus 12. According to question, after 12 years, he will be just twice his daughter. So father's age is 3x plus 12. 3x plus 12. Just twice, 2 into x plus 12. That implies 3x plus 12 equal to 2x plus 24. 2x plus 24. That implies 3x minus 2x equal to 24 minus 12. That implies x equal to 12 years. X means Renu. X equal to 12 years. And father 3x. 3 into 12 equal to 36 years. Now, today homework is solve test paper 7. Solve test paper 7. Write it. Students, today your homework is solve test paper 7. Thank you. That's all.